performance, yes. But we'll be having a most dance performance, and so I'll explain a little bit to you guys about the song. If you guys understand the song, they're probably going to be for you all. If you guys don't, I'll explain everything. So, in the song, it's actually about two people talking, one's a girl and one's a guy. And in the Hmong language, there are two dialects. And so, one guy and one girl are bantering back and forth, discussing, hey, is this the way you say this order, or do you say it this way? And so the song is called, Song by with that, I hope that you guys enjoy the show, and, definitely, like, with all this passion, the hard work, and something like that, so much, and me and Mom, thank you for listening to this. Enjoy it, and praise the Lord that, different cultures. So I just want to share a little bit of this with you guys. So thank you so much, and we'll have a little bit come up.
What is he doing?
What's the matter?
Holy God!
Got it, you got it. Hey, hold on. Thank you.
I know we watched that before.
Michael. Thank you. No problem.
Có.
Ano, yung kuya ba niya? Ano pa?
Hello.